Testing microphone. All right, so we're good to go here. All right, so sorry about that. I hope OBS doesn't continue to disconnect, but it seems to be right when I start streaming. Sometimes OBS decides it wants to disconnect. So, quick review, nothing happening on Friday. There is a 10:30 a.m. Chicago Fed speaker, and that's really all you have today. Quick recap as well. We've traded down into that weekly level that I had mentioned over on community the other day. I mentioned note the monthly volume imbalance and the buy side beneath us, as well as a weekly buy side imbalance remaining open that overlaps alongside a bullish order block here. Taking that target as our first area of distribution, and what did we do? We traded straight down into that buy side imbalance and came back up. So this, in my opinion, unless we see some crazy buyback, is and can result in what I would consider to be a displacement away from short-term lows here. We took out 3 short-term lows there in a row, so that is, each of those are sell-side liquidity. And looking at this on a daily chart, we've taken out the 20-day and 60-day, 40-day IPTA trading lows. So we need a little bit of consolidation here before we have any shot of trading any lower than this. We do have some monthly levels out there. We see that there's peaks here, important levels there. And so I'm keeping those in mind with the idea that there is a outstanding imbalance down here, coupled with the bullish order block as well. So we'll see if we get down there. Yeah, we'll see if we get down there. I don't know if we will, but what is this? Is this old? I don't know what these are, but it looks like these are old. Okay, so Amin. The age-old question from every new YouTuber. So, I mean, I don't know if you've been exposed to me before, but I'm a trader that works 9 to 5, so I need to trade either outside of hours or I need to trade without streaming while I'm trading, if that makes sense, so that I'm respectful for my employers. So far in the past month, I have been able to trade less than 20 days within the past month. It's taken a long time for me to get days where I trade, but within those days, right now, I haven't had a red day for probably I would say the entire month of April, surprisingly. Now, that is not by any means something that a trader should strive for. You should be expecting that there are going to be some red days. But for this account, this smaller account that I started trying to trade from very disciplined, very risk risk aware, like meaning risking 1 to 3%, maybe 4% maximum on these accounts and building them up slowly. I have 4 active performance accounts and 1/5 performance account that I will be starting soon. I haven't traded on it again yet, but 2 50K accounts, 3 150K accounts, and I have about 2,000 on one account, about 1,300 on the other 50K account, about 3,000 on the 150K account, and about 1,500 on the other 150K account. So those are still, we're working block by block, connecting again. Great. Come on, OBS. All right, so let's talk through a couple of trades that occurred earlier this morning. So first one is a scalp. We'll go to the 1 minute